Hi everyone, welcome to this channel again. In this video, we are going to see how I performed in the month of May 2023 while trading in the option. So this video is going to reveal my monthly trading performance. And the catch here is this month I had made the highest ever monthly profit. Let us see the monthly returns. I started with a capital of 7.1 lakhs in the month. At the start of the month, I had 7.1 lakh capital to trade in the options, and the profit I made with this capital in this month alone is 0.33 lakhs, that is 33,000 net profit I have booked in this month. Since I have started trading, I have been trading for last 15 or 16 months or so. In terms of value, this is the highest ever monthly profit I made. So I stand at 7.44 now. By percentage, it is at 4.6 percentage, slightly above my own mind value of 3 percentage. I was usually targeting 3% of my capital in a month, and this month I had a good returns of 4.6 percentage. And for the year, for this financial year so far, my capital is up 7 percentage actually. So I could gain 7 percentage so far in this financial year, that is in April and May, 2 months. These are the major options I have traded in this month. One is the index option, that's the Nifty Index option. Nifty was consolidating with a positive bias, and I've traded in the Nifty Index options. And two stock options I have chosen this month is Dr. Reddy and PA Industries. I have used different strategies in these two stock options, and let us see how I fared with the strategies and how I picked these two stock options for this month option trading. Coming to PI Industries, this is the PI Industries chart. I took this trade on the first week of May, I think. The stock was up already 10 percentage. It was already up 10 percentage on a single day. I think it was on April 28th, if I remember correctly. The stock was up heavily as it has some acquisitions into some two pharma subsidiaries. It has acquired some two pharma subsidiaries. Basically, the PI Industries is an agrochemical company, and it has entered into some two pharma subsidiaries. So because of that, the stock was up 10 percentage on those days, and next day was also it was up. Next few days it was up. I think I entered on this date. So since the stock was already up 10 percentage, and I checked the news, the news was about the acquisition, and with the acquisition, it was expected to do an increase in the revenue of around 10 to 12 percentage or 15 percentage with those new acquisitions. So when the company is going to increase its revenue by 15 percentage based on this acquisition, the stock was already up 12 to 15 percentage on those 3 days. So I thought I could make an entry here. So what I did was I took another 10 percentage as a cushion, and I sold somewhere here 3750 call options and 3700 call options. I think I sold 3700 and 3750 call options. I found it at attractive premium. Stock was trading here, so I sold those two call options, and after a few days, it was consolidating here, and then it started to go down. So my call options were premium were getting down, so I was making profit. And then when it was coming down heavily, and then I covered the call options with some put options. Now, when it was going down, I found this 3000 PE and 2950 PE. I think 3000 and below PE. I found it very attractive. I sold those put options some at attractive premium. So it was basically a time offset strangle that I took in PA Industries, and eventually at the end of the month, it has not touched both my higher side and lower side. So I made some good profit in this. Next is Dr. Reddy. This is one of the interesting trades I have taken this month. The stock was down almost 6% on this day when it has announced its Q4 results. It was on the middle of the May, I think, and it has announced a really good Q4 results, the multifold Q4 results, but the stock was down around 6% on that day. You can see the stock has run up beautifully before the results, and the result of the good result, the multifold results were expected earlier. So I would say the results were expected earlier. Many people have expected a good results from Dr. Reddy, and those who have taken the position, who have taken the long position, or who have taken the bullish positions before the results might have booked the profit, and it has brought the stock down too much. So I thought this is too much correction for these results, so I entered a position here. On this day, I took a I sold the put option here. Yeah, I this is 4150. I found this as a second support. So I sold 4150 and 4200 put options on this day at a good premium. The stock was still down for a few days. I averaged more lots at the same support level, and then eventually the stock has gone up again. So I made a good profit in this stock again with this strategy. Let us get into my trading account page, and this is the trading account page. Equities, yeah, segment, future and options. This video was shot on, this report is extracted on the 10th of June, so I have to scroll back May 1st and scroll back May 31st. Get report. Yeah, these are the Reddy stocks which you have been talking about, and the profit here it is showing slightly higher, 36,000, but the actual I booked on May month alone was 33,000, because some June series I took the position in May and I squared off in the first week of June. So the first week is already over now by the time this is recorded. So that is adding up. This 3,000, yeah, City Union Bank is adding up. So ready stock options, and then some index options, Nifty Index options here and there, far away index options. And this is the PA industry stock option which we have been discussing about, and this is one thing. So that's all about the report. 36, but actually it is 33,000 of profit. So follow this channel for more such option trading strategies and option trading ideas. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.